What's up, everybody? Chef Glenn B, and I'm back with a quick garden update. The season is changing, and with that comes changes in the patio garden. I've got some new plants here. I've got broccoli and baby broccoli. I also have a couple of Brussels sprouts plants. I got some seeds as well. These are snap peas, and I'm going to put them in the planter with the trellis on it. I have some seeds for these planters as well. Organic mesclun mix, spinach, wild rocket arugula, and have organic butter crunch lettuce for this container. These carrots should be ready soon. The herbs are abundant. I have some new flowers to freshen up the pot a little bit. I've had some pretty good success with the peppers. As I mentioned before, the strawberries spend the first year getting established. My beets should be ready to harvest soon. More herbs. I need to get this stuff planted. Although summer has ended, the growing season is year-round for me. I have mild winters and minimal frost so I can focus on different crops throughout the year. The growing season for me is broken up into two seasons within the one big season. I've got the warm season and I've got the cool season. I learned a lot this year. Mainly I learned that growing near the coast with limited sun is my main challenge. Being where I am leads to constant battles with powdery mildew. I have also had to learn lessons about watering both too much and too little. Although it might be getting too cold to grow where you are, I hope you'll keep up with my updates as I continue to grow. Also, please check out my recipe and wine pairing videos and hit that subscribe button, please. I'm Chef Glenn B, and as always, eat well.